funded and focused feature. We know you've worked hard for years. You've built a career, raised a family, and carried responsibilities with strength. But deep down, you know there's more you can do with what you already have. You don't just want stability, you want strategy. You're ready to stop depending only on a paycheck and start building something that lasts. Well, most people don't understand the concept of imputed land equity, but it's one of the most overlooked wealth building tools for women planning a powerful retirement. So step 1, work with a realtor to find a piece of land below market value. Step 2, work with your banker to use the market value, not what you paid, as your equity when applying for development financing. So here's an example. If you buy a lot for $40,000, but the land is actually valued at $100,000, when you approach a lender, they will consider the full $100,000 as your cash equity contribution. That means they can finance 100% of your construction costs.